Hi everybody,
Hello.
this is Jamie,
This is Eva.
and if she sounds a little glitchy, that's because we're on call, or a little bit quieter. But anyways, Ava, what do you want to do? Drive or make them?
I'm Jar.
Okay, I'll make the shawarmas.
Is this the game we played before?
Yeah, it is. My name's Jamie. My favorite color is teal. My favorite YouTuber is Paint and King. My favorite artist is Odatari. And a fun fact about me
All right.
is that I do nails. Ava, tell them all about you.
Mine's Ava. My favorite color is also teal.
Midnight already.
And a fun fact
Perfect
about
time
me
to sell
is
food.
I'm a twin.
Yes, she is.
Keys.
Anyways,
Where'd I put them?
here are all about my pets. I have 3 pets, 2 cats and a dog. One of my cats' name is Louie. He is an orange cat. Then my other cat is Panda. He's a tuxedo cat. He's very chubby, but that's okay. We don't try to make him chubby, but he just eats all the cat food and all the treats.
I have
And then
6 pets. Seven. I have
7.
that was not intended.
Oh, I know. I was just saying.
I have
There it
4
is.
cats. I have 2 dogs and 1 lizard. My lizard's name is Mr. Handsome. My one pit bull's name is Stormy because she has spots on her face. My other pit bull's name is Odie. He's an extra large.
You've gotta be kidding me.
And my calico cat
Nothing left.
name's Autumn.
Alright, mark it run first.
My orange cat name is Tito. My Maine Coon's name is Hazel. And my other cat named Miss Sassy is a tuxedo cat.
What the freak is that?
Jeez, that's the deer.
No. I'm gonna drive here, and then you can take it all you want. Oopsies, I ran you over. That was an accident. But
How did I get out here?
I don't know. But anyways, as I was saying, I have a dog named Willow. She's a puppy. She is a German Shepherd. She is very bad, but she's also very cute, so she gets away with everything.
The owner lied to them.
Huh?
They didn't even fucking dingus.
How dare you? How?
Jesse called me a dingus earlier. Huh?
What did you say to her? That is not very nice. We don't use bad words like that. Ava.
You never getting crazy. I'm parking in the cars and you couldn't. We can't.
I am a great driver, so.
Would you like to watch my engine? She called me a dingus because I couldn't find the charger. And she even right in front of me.
Welcome.
They're dingus.
Supplies are in the back aisle.
Eat cola. You
Take your time.
can't back down. We can't. I got balls.
Oh. This sauce looks like it would be very good.
Can't back down. Subscribe to me.
Yeah, guys, subscribe to us.
No, Jamie, somebody subscribe to me and I don't even have any videos. Wait, you're not Emily. I mean, you're not Ava.
Be
What?
careful out there.
Keep talking.
Yeah.
My bad. It's not your video.
Yeah, well, bruh.
I'm back in my truck. Let me leave. Wait.
Hey man, you're good. break the job down real quick for you.
Also, guys, we are just
First,
very bad
start with
at
the lavash.
games, so
Put it on the counter.
but this is not our first
Then
time.
you're gonna slice the meat and add it to the lavash.
I think this is
After
our
that, add toppings, salad, sauce, cheese.
yeah, we're just very
One more thing.
bad
If a customer's eyes are
at
white,
games.
don't serve them. Close
Except
the
for
shutter.
shawarma kiosk. We're good at that.
I marked your first stop on the map. Good luck.
What do you say?
What?
I didn't listen to him. Did you listen to him?
No. I'm in the passenger seat.
What's Andrew thinking?
Emily. Actually, no, V. V calls herself that. So does the key.
No, I thought it only Andrew Dingus guy. I thought she called Ducky Andrew Dingus. No, Ducky's Andrew Dingus the third.
No, he's Andrew Dingus the second, and V's Andrew Dingus the first, and Emily, you're Andrew Dingus the third. But
Hey,
you have to
I'll
ask
take a
me.
shawarma with
Okay.
sauce, cheese, and salad. And a cola
What?
on the side.
One of us brought a pew pew last time.
Oh, that was me.
That was me. Do you still have it?
Oh my god, I do.
What are we gonna do when speed comes?
Ew, Emily. Emily, this is getting posted. I'm gonna
Don't do that.
and I'm gonna enhance the audio of you barking, so they can so they can hear you only.
Can't back down. I got on my phone cap earlier. That should be me wearing it, not her. That should be me.
But Ava, you were at the hospital.
Well, I'm gonna be the only person in 2020 to not graduate. You literally graduated, Ava. I literally didn't know.
What the? Can somebody help me? Ava, it's your turn.
Just prepare. Did you even listen to his order you beat the fingers?
Hey,
I like
my name's Andrew Dingus, and I brought the Sour Patch watermelon.
You guys should play Hey Dave in your next video. Play what? Hey Dave. Absolutely not.
Ava, you forgot.
Hey Dave.
Ava, you forgot the lavash. I don't know how to say it. Ava, you forgot this. Ava, you forgot this. You forgot this.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you. What is wrong with you? How did you forget that?
I don't know what I added at this point. I had
Why is there a Bloxy Cola in his shawarma?
That's a good question, Jacqueline. You're the one that said it there.
No, I didn't. I mean, I did, but that was not my fault. This is my friend Ava. Can you take your shawarma? He's giving you so many. You need to give him his Bloxy Cola. He likes Bloxy Cola.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Nice, thanks.
How do I shut that?
Shut what?
That.
Doors and close that.
Wait. I fell.
Can't back down.
Why would you shut that?
Hey, can you make it quick?
Okay.
Shawarma, cheese, and salad only. No drink.
You don't. Cheese. Okay, no, that's salad. Cheese?
The cheese and sauce out here.
Ava, you're not getting a shawarma. Have you even tried a shawarma before?
You shouldn't be out this
No.
late.
Exactly.
Just and my mom's, they were delicious, so.
You know what? Me and you, we should go out somewhere and walk across town and try to find some place that
I doubt anywhere where we live sells shawarma.
yeah. But you know, we'll try.
Oh, hello, dear.
I don't trust her.
Could I have a shawarma
Got in trouble.
with salad, no cheese?
Boom.
What is a puncher?
No. He's an old lady. Leave her be.
He's an old lady.
I said she.
Oh, you did.
I said she's an old lady. Leave her be. Ava, make her shawarma.
Hey, no! You said you were getting shawarma.
Once you make one shawarma, you're a shawarma person. And we take turns. What you did. Why do we have two? Why do we have,
I don't know!
why is that in front of you? Ava, what's your favorite food?
No.
Here you go.
Mine is
Thank you, sweetheart.
mac and cheese. What? Well, I need to turn the lights.
Shawarma.
Close the thing! Jamie win!
Okay.
Just shawarma.
Stop yelling at me.
Yeah, that's enough.
Why do we not have a door?
Yeah, we need a door. We're not going to be
staying
protected. I'm not staying here. Ava, drive. Joyce, drive. Joyce,
I'm not Joyce.
drive.
No, I'm saying!
Ava, Joyce, same thing.
We should find a place to stop soon. There's gotta be something up ahead.
And, oh my god. Emily, I don't like this. I don't like this area.
Come at home. Is your turn to make this shawarma?
Okay, I will.
You know, I just got my very back.
No!
Hello, you.
Okay, Emily.
I'll take a shawarma.
You can use the charger.
Just lavash and shawarma.
Okay.
You can use the
Just
charger.
for you.
Not
And a
playing.
cola.
Okay, I'll be back with that.
You're very calm. Most people get jumpy this late.
You get used to it.
Calm suits you.
I know that we just met, but you know me. It's all just yet. So,
Emily, this is getting posted on YouTube. There you go. There you go.
Here you go.
Perfect, thanks.
I love you more than I would say.
Busy night?
It's a big forehead, but that's okay.
Something like that. Mixed shawarma.
Actually, that was mean. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. I did not mean that. I didn't mean it, I swear. It just came out. Because I normally say that Colin has a big forehead. Colin is my little brother. And he does. He has a very big forehead. I could play tic-tac-toe on his forehead. Emily? Emily?
Yeah? Yeah?
Couldn't I play tic-tac-toe on Colton's forehead?
Yeah.
Yeah. See? Even Emily
Here.
agrees.
Thanks. You ever notice how quiet it gets near water? Yeah.
Yeah? What is that? Eva, what is that? Who is that? Who's that?
What?
No, stop.
It's actually scary. Absolutely not.
Like that.
Shut the thing. Shut it, Ava. Ava, no, you shut it.
Meat.
She's hungry too.
Only
Meat,
meat.
only meat. Give her meat. No.
Okay, good, she left.
Oh, where are we at? Where are they at?
Who are you?
Emily.
It's your turn.
I'll have a shawarma.
No,
What the
you're
freak?
pigeon.
Cheese and salad only.
He's hungry. He wants a shawarma.
The other lady was hungry too, huh?
Yeah, we should have served her. But you didn't like her.
He's not leaving.
Serve him a shawarma. He wants a
He has a
shawarma.
tail.
He has a what?
He has a tail. He doesn't have a tail.
Wait, he does not have a tail, Ava.
What is that?
I don't know. Give him shawarma.
How much money do you have?
Here you go, sir.
Here you
How
go.
much money do you have?
Thanks.
325.
I have 335. Yeah!
Wait, no, I mean I have 350.
I have 360.
What is that? What is that? Oh, that's for an anime.
リン
I
ゴ
think Aline
持って
watches
る
that.
No,
I'm so
we
sorry,
don't.
but we don't.
ないの？じゃあお前が持ってるものをよこせ。
Ava, give him shawarma.
What is that? It says close the show agreement.
It says or serve the customer.
I think scary.
We are closed at the moment,
What is
sir.
that?
ここにはもう人間らしさなんて残っていない。
I don't like this place. I think
Let's go.
it's time to go.
Some dude came up while you were there, and I actually said he had a big forehead, but then I said, but I apologized right after. Because I'm really kind, but he also said that it gets really quiet near water, so maybe it would be best if we speed it up a little bit, Ava.
Where is best to him? Stop pushing me. Right here. I did the thing earlier and she was crying.
Haley is her little sister, by the way, guys. Oh my god,
Daniel's my little
who are you?
I think he's like a doctor guy, I can't remember.
Hey, cheese shawarma
Speak on?
and the cola.
Ava, I don't think that is actual speed. I think that's just a dude who wants
I
a
know
shawarma.
that's not speed, but like, I just need comes in this one over here.
No, Ava, that's just a dude who looks like him. People are getting the shawarmas with no sauce.
Why do people look at us?
Actually, I've never had a shawarma, so the sauce on it.
Why? I should just went up there like 2 minutes ago. Sorry, I didn't know that. Jeez.
Here is your cola. Take your cola.
Here you go.
And then to make the dude feel better, after I
Thanks.
said he had a big forehead, and after I said sorry, I told him that it was okay because I could play tic-tac-toe on my little brother's forehead.
Did you?
What?
Hey man, shawarma.
What?
Put everything on it. I need the calories.
What, Ava?
No cola,
What?
too much
What'd
sugar.
you say? Why'd you say my name? I'm scared. What? No, Ava, tell me.
Shawarma.
It's your turn.
No one said we were taking turns. I don't want to take turns.
Well, all you had to do was drive, not to deal with scary people.
salad and cheese. Okay.
And sauce.
Okay. Did you guys go to Wawa or not? What? Okay.
You guys always work this late?
It's so short. Why are you not getting more rest?
Most nights.
Why are none of them spending more rest?
Take it easy.
I guess. I don't know.
None of them are standing on our stairs.
If you want to end the video,
Should we? I think we should wait for Speed to come.
Hi,
okay,
can you make
when
it
he
fast?
comes, we're gonna say a very quick,
Shawarma.
scary goodbye.
Just sauce and salad.
What are you doing? Bro's fighting his inner demons.
Emily told me earlier, at least I have my appendix.
Emily!
So I said at least I can't get appendicitis,
Well, you already had it, though.
but I can't get it anymore because I don't have an appendix.
True. Bro, as soon as... Bro, you know what my mom said as soon... So your mom texted my mom asking if I was okay because of you. And my mom... And I started faking sick saying, I don't feel too good. And then the next morning it's...
Sick, Jamie, and it's basically when your organ explodes. Stage 1. What is it?
I know. But, then... Anyways... No, it was when... This was when you were... This is when your parent thought you were just sick. So, your mom texted my mom, and then, my mom, as soon as she found out you had appendicitis, apparently on the side of your appendixes, it started hurting for her. And she had the exact same symptoms, but she doesn't have it.
What happened with my appendix? There's no symptoms other than your appendix hurts, like where your appendix is, that burns, like really bad.
Oh, that happened to my mom, but it didn't happen. But she's okay.
But it actually hurts so bad.
Yeah, she was complaining the whole day about how all I would hear from her is "ow." Random parts of the day, all I would hear was "ow, ow, ow."
It's just leaving shawarma.
It's not letting me toss it. Oh, there we go.
Here you go.
Perfect, thanks.
I think Speed is coming next.
Wait, you know I realized we're gonna end the video before that demon thing.
What thing?
The thing that knocks on the back of the door that we were too scared to check on.
It wasn't a demon, Ava. That was just a random person.
We don't know that. We never checked.
Yes, we did. Remember? And I screamed.
Well, I logged off. It knocked. You literally.
Can I get a shawarma?
Do you even have any money for it?
Hey, please, man, I need it.
Where are you?
I'm serious, bro. I'm starving.
I'm right next to you. Can you not see me? Close the thing.
No, I can't see you. It's Speed.
No, he's gonna attack us. Get off.
So you're
Close
not
the shutter.
giving me one?
I did. Where are you?
On top of the building. Wait. Stop, I'm scared. Someone's gonna have to be brave.
You're going, bro.
This is not for killing, it's for hugs.
You're not even shooting him.
Where is he?
I don't know. I think he's in the red line. Is he inside our car?
I think.
He's underneath.
Stop. Ava, distract him. Ava, distract him, bro. Distract him. Ava, out of my way. Ava.
Okay, that's the video's over now.
Bye bye guys. Wait. Bye guys.
Where are you? Jamie, what?
What the? Ava, look. Look, this dude has pigtails.
So you're barking at your reflection? She's barking at her reflection. No, he was behind the TV.
Oh. Why am I saying oh? What the freak? Ava, look at this dude. Look at this dude.
I know.
Look at the dude. Anyways, bye guys. This is Jamie signing out.
Bye.